Every journalist, every newsroom needs to engage and grow their social audiences. Want to know how to do it more easily, quickly, and effectively? We're going to show you. Hi, I'm Jonathan Harley and I lead the Journalist and Newsroom Initiative at Canva. From New York to New Delhi, journalists rely on Canva to create engaging social content for all their platforms, easily, quickly, and importantly, reinforcing their trusted news brands with their audiences. PS Media is a new local news initiative in Australia led by Simon Carrere.
Hi, I'm Simon Carrere. I've been a journalist for about 20 years. I've worked for the Times of London, The Guardian, News Corp Australia, BuzzFeed, and now I'm the co-founder and CEO of PS Media, which is a local news startup piloting our model here in Australia. The role that the journalist plays is still this sense of being a kind of bridge between facts and understanding, and that's the skill set that I think remains unique for journalism. It's like, how do you take all this complexity and put it into an Instagram tile that explains that story for somebody who's got 5 seconds to really get their head around it? And what I love about Canva is that ability to create a kind of template, and then our reporters can very easily turn their piece of reporting into a TikTok video or Instagram reel or another piece of content that we can share elsewhere. So yeah, it's making a transformative difference for us.
Gannett is one of the largest and most storied media businesses in the US. It's a digital powerhouse with multiple news brands, including USA Today. Gannett journos use Canva to power their social content workflows, from breaking news to explainers across all their platforms. With Canva, they get their content out faster and on brand to grow their trusted relationship with their audience. Now we'll equip you with the skills and the tools to do it too. And if you missed our first episode on how to create templates for your team to use, check out episode 1 of this series where we show you how. Now over to our graphic designer, Maddie, to show you how to leverage your branded templates to create great looking content really quickly.
Thanks, Jonathan. Once you've set up a suite of branded templates for your team to use, it's a very quick process to get your headlines out to the world on your social channels. Next, I'll show you how to create and share a social post in just 4 simple steps. Here's a link to a workbook containing the template I'm using, so you can design along with this tutorial. Let's jump into Canva. Here we are in the editor. Step 1 is to select one of your branded templates and click Use this template. This one has a large space for a photo or video. We have room for a headline and quote, with the logo nice and big too. Step 2 is to replace the imagery. If you've uploaded your own photos already, your images will sit here in the Upload section. You can also upload video or audio to Canva. Or alternatively, you can set up a folder to which your photographers can upload photos themselves. If you don't have story-specific images to use, you can also use our stock library containing millions of images here in the Photos tab. If you can't see this tab, check in the More section and just click to add it to your menu sidebar. In this case, imagine we're creating a social post to share the latest headlines on developing wildfires. I'll use our stock library and search for wildfire. This one works, so I'll click and drag and drop it right into the frame. Step 3 is to update the placeholder text. We'll keep the breaking news text and I'll update the subheading to feature my news copy. You can see this is updating from the bottom because the text is anchored to the bottom of the text box. This allows enough text to be added without spoiling the alignment of the design. You can change the anchoring setting here. Once I'm happy with my design, step 4 is to share it with the world by clicking here. I can share directly to any of the social platforms listed here by connecting the company's social accounts. Alternatively, I can hit schedule to plan content in advance. I can choose the channel here, add my caption, then schedule it for that date, or save it as a draft to come back to later. To see all my planned content, I can click on Content Planner from the homepage. I can find the calendar here or schedule content directly by clicking New Post and selecting one of my recent designs. Again, just select the channel, write a caption, and schedule or save a draft. Let's try that process one more time so you can see how quick it is. This time, let's try a quote card. I'll find my quote card branded template and choose Use this template. I'll replace the image with one from Canva's stock library. Then move or resize that image in the frame as needed. Then I'll replace the text with a quote and update the name of the person here on the side. All done. That literally took 1 minute and this is ready to post to socials.
Fast, easy, and on brand, so that your audience knows it comes from the news brand they trust, yours, whether it's for scheduled content or a fast-moving story. Next time, we'll teach you all about Canva video and make sure you hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.